Class 6. Today you will study the Grammar Gate book, lesson number 8, adverbs. In the last turn, I told you about the type of adverbs, definition of adverb. Today you will know about the position of adverbs. But before that, I would like to discuss you the exercise number A. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write their types in the blanks. I know her quite well. Here, quite is the adverb of degree and well is the adverb of manner. He rarely works hard. Rarely is the adverb of frequency and hard is adverb of manner. Come in and sit here. In is adverb of place and here is adverb of also place. You behaved foolishly yesterday. Foolishly is adverb of manner and yesterday is adverb of time. Why did you get up so early today? So why is interrogative adverb and so is adverb of degree. And early is adverb of time and today is adverb of time. He usually goes to bed very late. Usually is adverb of frequency and very is adverb of degree and late is adverb of time. Now coming to the topic position of adverbs. Adverbs can go in three positions in a sentence. At the beginning of the sentence, mid position and at the end. Here comes the team leader. Here is the adverb used in the beginning, at the beginning. The boy slowly walked to the stage. So slowly is used in the mid position. The children laughed heartily. Heartily is again adverb but used at the end of the sentence. So you see that adverb can be used at the beginning of a sentence, mid position and at the end. Adverb of manner, place and time are placed after the verb if it is an intransitive verb or the object if it is a transitive verb. So you can see adverb of manner, place and time are placed after the verb. See, the bus stops here. Stop is a verb, but here is the position of it is the adverb. It's used after verb. The rain fell heavily. Again adverb at the last of fell. The teacher praised the students highly. So praised is the verb and highly is the adverb. Again highly at the last of the sentence. Now the girls played the guitar very well. So played is the verb and well is the adverb. So again after the verb. The principal may call us early. Again call is the verb and early is the adverb. So adverb of time are sometimes placed at the beginning for emphasis. For example, last week there was no rain. Today we will study grammar. So last week and today are used at the beginning for emphasis. Some adverbs in the story have been underlined. Write in the table below where the position of the each is in front, middle or end. You can see it and note it down here, okay, where the position is. Now formation of adverbs. Most adverbs are formed by adding the suffix ly to the adjective. For example, sweet, sweetly. If the adjective ends in y, then y is replaced by I and ly is added. Happy, see happy, y is in the last, so illy is written. If the adjective end in able or able or le, able or ible or le, the e is replaced with y. For example, terrible, ble, then terribly, bly. Gentle, gently, tly. So rewrite these sentences using the words given in the brackets. We walk to school always. We always walk to school. He is late. Never. He is never late. I entered the house calmly. I calmly entered the house. She speaks Hindi well. She speaks Hindi well. It was struck 10. Just. It was just struck 10. Old people are deaf. Old people are often deaf. The suitcase isn't large. The suitcase isn't large enough. They stay up all night sometimes. Sometimes they stay up all night. I agree with you quite. I quite agree with you. I have finished the book already. I have already finished the book. He has gone home. He has already gone home. We missed the bus. Nearly. We nearly missed the bus. He dislikes her. He still dislikes her. He is in bed. Still, he is still in bed. I will meet you in your office tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow in your office. So this was a lesson.